Are you kidding me? Look at this. This is fucking outrageous. What up? We're back. Didn't film anything of that last night and didn't film yesterday, so still gonna continue the vlog today from Saturday to Monday, because today is Monday. Gabe and I went to the Yunki Rainforest, I think that's how it's called. I'm not exactly sure the pronunciation, but we're at this there's like a little waterfall over there, and you got like the cliff jump and the rope swing. So yeah, we rented the car, came down here, and it's pretty nice. We got everything here. Look at this. Just kind of gives you a better idea of the forest. Yeah. So we just had our little like lunch break, and now we're kind of hiking farther upstream because apparently there's a like a water slide, a rock water slide that we're gonna go find and do. We made it. So there's Gabe. He's gonna go down the water slide. Looks sweet.
Talk to me again. Don't just act like we were always friends.
Yeah, there's a waterfall. As you saw, I went down it, but I busted my shoe a little bit. It's just a tiny little cut. We're chilling. Also, Gabe just went down. It was sweet. This guy's crazy. Shit. I'm gonna do that now. Yeah, now that I know that's possible, I'm doing that shit.
All right, go.
That boy's slipping. Oh, his slides, bro.
Oh, they didn't break. They just like...
They're just sideways.
Yeah.
Look at these trees up here. Crazy pretty. Huge fan of them. Huge fan. Yeah. But now we're leaving this waterfall area. Those tall jumps and that slide was really cool. I did mess up my elbow just a little bit, but now we're gonna go find something else to do. There's some blue lagoons that some girls told Gabe about. Ooh. And there's also supposed to be some really good beaches around here, so we might do that. We'll see. So we hiked out. We've been driving for a bit. We're going up to some beach north of the forest area, and we just got some Mexican food. So we're gonna grub here. I'll show you guys what I got. I got some wet burrito and nachos. Then we're gonna go hit this beach. It looks so good. Inject, bro. Inject. Shakes is done. Oh, sorry about that. Look at this. Papaya shake. Kind of gotten destroyed a bit, but that's gas. Big ass beach. Big beach. No one's here. There's 2 people out there, but that's it. And just like that, this trip is over. I'm in the airport at SJU. Gotta head out to Newark. Sadly, I don't want to leave, but heading out. Sorry, I've been so spotty with filming after playing in the ocean for a super long time. Gabe and I went back and just crashed for like 3 hours, so exhausted. But yeah, now I'm at the airport, but I'll be heading back. Got a bunch of classes, so hope you guys enjoyed. Catch you in the next one.